In this video, we'll demonstrate how to easily restore chat backups on WhatsApp. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to restore your WhatsApp chats. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you, and subscribing to our channel, Media Magnet Guide, with notifications on ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. To restore your WhatsApp chat backup, follow these steps. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. Go to Settings. Then tap on Chats and select Chat Backup. Here you can find the date and time of your last backup. To create a new backup, tap on Backup Now and wait for the process to complete. Now, whether you're transferring your chats to a new device or restoring them on your current one, you'll need to log out of your WhatsApp account. Unfortunately, the only way to do this is to delete the WhatsApp application. Reinstall WhatsApp from your App Store. Open the reinstalled WhatsApp. Agree to the terms and enter your phone number. After verifying your phone number, you'll be prompted to restore your chat history. Tap Restore Chat History and wait for the process to complete. It may take a few seconds or longer, depending on the number of messages. Enter your WhatsApp account name and proceed. Now, you've successfully restored your chat backup, and all your conversations are back in place. That's how you can easily restore chat backups on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement motivates us to create more content like this. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials at Media Magnet Guide.